start. Flip this one upside down to the gray that later gray. They are left and right, so put the right one here, flush with this edge, flush, and then use these screws, the small screws, like this, straight. With the hammer, plastic hammer, knock it from the bag. Use the second screw here, third one in here. Put it flush from the front, like this. That's it. Again, another knock. Make sure this one will be flush. This one, this end will be flush here. Goes in. Then use this screw. Now the drawer is ready. Flip it. This is the front, this is the back of it. We are using this one. Use the bracket to the bag. So the right here are right, it goes in like this, slide it in. With some press. The left one here, left, it's like this. Again press it, so it will be finished like this, this shape. The last step, to put this piece of wood so the dark face will be in, the light one will be out, and screw, use screws, small screws from this way. Now the drawer is ready. Fit in.